Hey guys, Colster 54 Trains here. We're back with another video, and if you couldn't tell from that intro, then yeah. But yeah, I got a sound decoder. Okay, so I got the MRC 1808 sound decoder for my Kato SD80 Mac. And you can hear it idling right there. And then I got an MRC Tech 6 sound controller. This is a cheap one. I got it for like 50 bucks. But anyway, so yeah, now I have sound in one of my locomotives. So let's just do a rundown of all the functions. So we'll turn the lights off, and we'll change the direction, and then turn the light back on. Boop. So this has yellowish, like golden white LEDs. Instead of the bright white ones that Kato locomotives come with stock. Go through the functions. We have function 1, the bell, function 2, horn, obviously. 4 is coupling, I think. Correct, 4 is coupling. I've got my paper here. 5 is brake release. Right there is the air compressor, which it does that automatically, you can hear it. And the air release is also automatic. And F7, that's the uncoupling, and this is the air hose. And that's pretty much the basic functions. Everything else is just, 3 is the air release. I think I might already did that one, but everything else is just like functions like sand drop and kind of just unnecessary functions, so I won't go through those. But yeah, let's just run a train with it real quick. So I have it on manual notching mode. And no, the ditch lights do not oscillate. It would be awesome if they did, but they don't. I might change it to manual notching later, but for now, it is good. So yeah, there we go. There's the air compressor again. That is my newest update. I got sound in my locomotive. So this is Colster 54 Trains, and I'll see you in the next video.